Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to unlock the GPMG-7 LMG, and let's get straight into it. So go over to weapons, from weapons go to loadout, go to LMGs, and then you'll notice that it is right here GPMG-7, but you do need to be level 52 to unlock this. So the best way or the fastest way to level up to level 52 is going to be just by playing hardcore, and go ahead and make sure you complete the daily challenges that you see on the left. And once you do the daily challenges, I highly recommend playing hardcore face off mosh pit, because this is like a 2v2 style map. Like, the map is very small, and in that small map it's going to be actually 6 versus 6, so you're very easily able to get kills, and it's very easy to do overall. So you get a lot of free kills, free XP, and yeah, so I highly recommend playing that until you level up to 52. And yeah, that is it for the video. You can always pop a XP token as well, but I think the only way you can get that as of right now is from the battle pass. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.